Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting parts and making the first electrical connections. First, mount motors to the chassis and secure the motor driver beside the Arduino. Connect motor outputs to driver terminals, then wire driver input pins to Arduino digital pins. Power the motor driver separately from the Arduino to avoid brownouts. Connect grounds together. Once done, attach your chosen voice interface. Pair HC05 or wire ESP32TX/RX to Arduino. Make sure wiring is neat and power polarity is correct. Now you program the how. Write an Arduino sketch that maps command strings to motor actions, using PWM for speed control and direction pins for H-bridge control. If using HC05, parse serial data for keywords like forward or stop. If using ESP32, run speech-to-text locally or send audio to a paired device and receive text back. Once parsed, translate text into state transitions safely. Include timeout and emergency stop conditions. Make sure to test commands slowly and monitor serial output for parsing errors. Finish by assembling everything and performing stepwise validation. First, run motor tests from the Arduino sketch to confirm wiring. Next, send text commands over Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to exercise the parsing and movement. Calibrate speeds so turns are balanced and adjust debounce or confidence thresholds to reduce false triggers. If things go wrong, stop and inspect power rails, verify common ground, confirm baud rates, and repair modules. Often a loose jumper or wrong TX/RX wiring is the culprit. Once stable, iterate on voice vocabulary and responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.